Good morning, class. As you guys will remember, our previous lessons that we've been covering lately have been on the different states of matter. So starting off for today, we're going to have a little bit of review. What type of matter do you think this is? Is it a solid, liquid, or a gas? All right, what do you think it is, Beth?
I think it's a liquid because there's soda inside of it.
Well, that's a very good answer. What about you, Christy?
I heard it was a gas.
Debbie, what do you think?
I think it's a solid because it's like a can.
All right, the correct answer is it's all of the above. The can is a solid. The soda inside the can is a liquid. And then the bubbles inside the soda, which are called carbon dioxide, is a gas. Okay, here we have two unopened cans, which you can see, according to the balance, weigh the same. What will happen if we use a can that has been sitting out overnight that has been opened? Which one do you think weighs more? Debbie, what do you think it is?
I think that one's heavier because it's making the scale go down low, and it's the one that's not opened.
You're right, Debbie. This one does weigh more. Let's find out why the one that's been sitting out overnight weighs less and why the one that hasn't been opened weighs more. This is the one that's been sitting out. This is the one that hasn't been opened. What are some differences and similarities that you can tell me between the two of these? What do you think, Beth?
Cup 1 looks like water.
That's right, cup 1 does look a lot like water. What about you, Debbie?
They're both clear.
That's true, they are both clear. What do you think, Christy?
Cup 2 has bubbles in it.
That's right, cup 2 does have bubbles in it. Those were some great answers, guys. Did you notice the psh sound whenever I opened the can?
Yeah.
Well, as you can see, this is the one we just poured out. You can even see the bubbles escaping. That's the gas in the soda coming out. And you can also see that in the one that sat out overnight, there aren't any bubbles coming out of it. That's because over time, they all escaped while we were sleeping. All right, now that we know these things, let's go outside and do some experiments.
Oh boy!
For this experiment, you need a 2-liter soda, Mentos, and a balloon. Okay, for this experiment, what you have to do is put a Mento inside the balloon, open the 2-liter, and put the mouth of the balloon on the 2-liter. Then let the Mento fall down into the soda and support the balloon. What we've done here is actually caught the carbon dioxide inside of the balloon. So here you can see that the gas tried to escape, but we caught it inside. All right, now it's your turn. Let's see you do it.
All right. Here, Chrissy, I got the Mentos in. Okay, we got the Mentos in? All right, I'm going to open the bottle. Alright, from there. Make sure you get it all the way around. Good? Yeah. Christy, you want to look good? Let the Mentos go in there? Sure.
It does.
Okay, here it goes. Whoa! That is so cool. It filled up fast.
All right, now what we're going to do is an experiment just for fun. We're going to make a geyser out of this as the gas escapes. Can you count down?
3, 2, 1.
class, now that we've done our experiments for the day, can each of you tell me something that you've learned? What about you, Beth?
Gas takes up space because it filled up the balloon.
Christy?
Gas has a weight and it doesn't like to be in liquid.
What about you, Debbie?
You can't see gas. It's invisible.
Good answers, guys. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Some great answers, guys. So for this experiment, what you have to do is put a Mento inside the balloon, open the tube. Go.
1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1.